Okay, so now that we've set up our code to spawn a player model from the existing entities, we'll just go ahead and run it and see what happens. Our game titles come up, we start in. Look at that. Instead of spawning the camera from above, uh, we're spawning right in and looking at something. We can see that we have the helper object that has the dynamics object attached to it. Let's just go take a look at that real quick. I paused the scene and I'm going to zoom in. If I click on that, I see that he has a dynamics object. Look at that. Looks like we're actually a little bit off the ground with our player model. And that's a good chance for us to actually make a quick change that we needed to make. So if he's off the ground, what we're probably going to need to do is we're going to need to go into our update dynamics function for AI entity and modify this so that he comes down a little ways. Let's try moving him like a couple of units off the ground and see what happens. I feel like that's pretty good, but the best way to do it is to pause, take a look inside. So he's pretty good. So the dynamics object is a physics object, and it's hitting this collider, this plane. And this is our avatar object, and he's updating himself every frame to try and be at the position that the dynamics object is in. So when we're actually moving with our move controller, what we're actually doing is moving the dynamics object, and then the avatar object, as he's drawing, just updates his position to be at the same position the dynamics object is. So it's a good thing that we kept that little piece of code to modify our position. So now, that's basically what we're doing here. We spawned in as a player object. I'm going to hit the number pad 7 key to just make everything look fine. And there again, finally we have a player object that can run around all day long.